Hi guys, welcome to this episode. Today I'm going to be talking about which is the best entry-level camera to buy when you're a new user at the moment. Now, as you all know, DSLRs are coming to the stage where they're starting to come out of fashion, but there are still a few on the market that are decent. So today I want to show you guys, if you're a college student or a school student or a university student, this Canon 250D. Okay, I think it's an awesome camera for an entry level. It has all the features that you need whilst you're studying photography or filmmaking. It's 1080p, it's touchscreen, it's Bluetooth, it's Wi-Fi, and you can send all your pictures from your DSLR camera to your smartphone direct. So I think those are the kind of features that a lot of people are looking for nowadays. So if I go to the main menu, okay, if I switch it on, it's all touchscreen. So if I click on the Q button, this button here, it allows me to hover through these like so. So my shutter, my ISO, and like I said, if you're a new user, you know, you probably want these kind of features. So if you click on this record button over here, and then press this set button, Q button, it allows you to flick through all the different features that's available to you. So that's really awesome. And I think a lot of people do want those sort of things. If you go to the menu and flick through this, you've got all your standard settings for here. And also you've got your Wi-Fi. And Wi-Fi is probably the one thing that you want, because nowadays most people want to send their pictures to their Instagram, and people want to know how to send them. So this camera allows you to select a Bluetooth Wi-Fi connectivity. It's enabled, and you can literally select that. So my this iPhone is selected, and all I need to do is just select the phone that I want to connect, add a device, Android, if it's an Android, zap that QR code on your phone, and then essentially connect your phone to your camera, and then you're ready to send your images across. Okay, so that's a really useful feature, and I think that's one of the things that you're gonna probably want to have for a camera like this. Standard stuff again. You've got your connectivity, so you got your battery goes in there, and you've got your digital viewfinder here, your hot shoe, and these sort of cameras come with a standard 85mm lens, which is this over here. And if I flick that across a little bit, it's got your hot shoe over here as well, and your manual, your auto mode, and your scenic modes, which are really useful as well. And it's light. I like this camera because it's not too heavy. It's a little bit like a bridge camera, not too heavy. Perfect for an entry-level camera. So if you're at school, for example, you're thinking about buying a camera, this one might be a pretty decent one. They retail about up to £400 to £600, depending on where you are in the world. But as an entry-level camera with pretty decent connectivity, touchscreen, Wi-Fi, lens that comes out with a lot of these, Canon cameras these days. This comes out as interchangeable, and it rotates around, which is really useful. So yeah, really nice camera, Canon 250D, entry-level camera. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please do post.